I think that anthropology basically is to study local contexts in relation to larger global processes of change. So we have a variety of methods actually that allow us to better understand the social connections between people. We have 3 tracks, global ethnography, and students in that track, they choose the topic themselves in conversation with their supervisor, so it's more an academic project. And then we have policy and practice, where students are an intern of an organization that has a specific knowledge need, so it's applied anthropology. And then thirdly, we have visual anthropology.
Visual methodology is one of the unique selling points of Leiden University. The main point is that students are learning technical proficiency in a variety of media tools in order to use audiovisual methodologies to conduct anthropological research. And so we are encouraging what we call multimodal approaches or hybrid theses that combine text, sound, image in a variety of ways.
It allowed me to combine practical research skills, such as working with a camera and interviewing, but within a theoretical framework, connecting those skills to larger ideas.
I'm doing my research in collaboration with Closing the Loop, and I really like it that there is an organization involved that is interested in your research findings. I'm doing my research on a senior high school together with the students there, and I'm giving workshops on environmental awareness to figure out how they deal with waste.
We offer them a week of intensive lectures about methodology, but also practicing with assignments such as participant observation and interviews. The students go out into their fields where they just experiment with different methods.
My research is about LGBT movements in the Netherlands, and I'm focusing on ethnic and religious diversity. It really prepares me on how to implement what I was writing before, on how to operationalize my research proposal.
I'm doing research on the funeral traditions on Goeree Overflakkee. Well, the supervisor is really closely connected to the whole project. It's always possible to email or just to visit the supervisor.
After the master here in Leiden, I decided to continue my career in academics, so I'm doing now a PhD, actually on the project of my master thesis. But my classmates do a range of things, so some work at NGOs, some work in journalism, but there's also people who work in, for example, the production of documentary film.
So I think you should study in Leiden because we have a very enthusiastic staff with excellent research topics that they can instruct you in, and they have a personal approach in teaching you to do that.
We're giving the class because we really enjoy what they are doing, and I think this makes the program tremendous.